You are very lucky to be watching this video. By watching this video, you can transform from a beginner trader with losses to a professional trader, upgrade your trading record, and not leave any room for losses for yourself by following this strategy. So watch this video until the end. First of all, choose your symbol. Then go to the time frame and set it to 15 minutes. The next step is to add the first indicator to our chart. To do this, go to the Indicator Search tab and search for SSL Hybrid by Gigas. You can easily find it and add it to your chart. Now, before using this indicator, we need to go to its settings and make some changes to use this indicator excellently. So, we go to the indicator settings and change the values that need to be changed. Make sure to remove the ticks correctly. Then go to the Style tab and remove the ticks that are not needed, like me. The SSL Hybrid indicator consists of 3 lines, 200 EMA, 50 EMA, and the baseline. With this indicator, you can identify market trends because identifying market trend is one of the most important tasks for starting this strategy and any trade. If you cannot correctly identify the trend, you cannot enter a proper trade. Using this indicator makes it easier for you and can lead you to good profits in your trades. In this indicator, if 50 EMA is above 200 EMA and candles are also above these 2 lines, we understand that we are in an uptrend. Conversely, if 200 EMA is above 50 EMA and candles are below these 2 lines, we understand that we are in a downtrend. Based on these conditions, we can open our buy or sell trades at these points. If the price is between these 2 lines, it indicates that the market is in a ranging state and no specific trend of the market is visible. In these situations, we shouldn't enter any trades to prevent potential losses. Now, to make the strategy more complete and improve it and find more accurate points, add the second indicator to our chart. For this, simply search for MACD Fake Filter in the indicator search box. By adding this indicator, we can get a clearer picture of the market trend and reduce our margin of error. As you can see, this indicator has been added below our chart, but for better use, it needs some changes. So we need to go to the settings of this indicator and make some changes in the Input tab that you see. Here we must make sure that the signal line MA type is set to SMA. Inside the Style tab, remove the ticks that you see and make sure that in the histogram section it is set to column mode. Now that we have optimized the settings, you can see that this indicator provides us with good positions for analysis. If the histogram of this indicator is green and above the 0 line, it indicates an uptrend and can confirm our buy signals. Conversely, if the histogram is red and below the 0 line, it indicates a downtrend and can confirm our sell signals. Now that we have explained 2 indicators of this strategy to you, let me explain how to enter trades so that you can achieve good profits like me. But before that, I ask you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Like the video and comment on your opinion on this video. Now I will explain buy orders to you first. First of all, we must make sure that we are in an uptrend. For this, we should look at the SSL Hybrid indicator and make sure that 50 EMA is above 200 EMA and price candles are colored blue. In this case, we can consider this as a buy signal. However, we shouldn't rush into entering a trade and should confirm this buy signal with the MACD fake filter indicator. For this, we go to this indicator and make sure that at this point, the histogram is green and above the zero line. Now that all the conditions are met, we understand that this point is a good entry point for our buy order, and we can place a buy order at this point. For the stop loss, we can consider the last swing low. Our target for the take profit in this strategy is determined, and the risk to reward ratio in this case should be 1 to 1.5. In this case, we wait for the trade to close with a profit. Now, let's look at a few examples of buy trades to understand this strategy better. Before I explain the sell orders to you, I recommended that if you have enjoyed this video so far, be sure to watch the other video inside the channel and enjoy the strategy in that video as well. Now let me explain the sell orders to you. To do this, first you must make sure that we are in a downtrend. For this, we go to the SSL indicator and make sure that 200 EMA is above 50 EMA and price candles are below these two lines. After that, we must make sure that the baseline or price candles have changed color from blue to red, like here, which gives us a sell signal. Now we need to confirm this sell signal with the MACD fake filter indicator. To do this, we go to this indicator and make sure that at this point, the histogram is red and below the zero line. When these conditions are met, we understand that this point is a good point for a sell order, and we can place a sell order at this point. For the stop loss, consider the last swing high. To achieve profit, it is enough to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for our trade to close with a profit. Now, let's look at a few more examples of sell trades to fully understand this strategy. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to ask me your questions in the comments.